Another day, another English lesson. Reality and appearance. Actually versus apparently. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at two very common English words, actually and apparently. These words help you tell people whether something is really true or whether it's something you've heard or noticed but aren't completely sure about. Let's take a closer look. Actually, we use actually to talk about the real situation or to correct a misunderstanding. It's like saying, here's the truth. It can be at the beginning of a sentence, often when correcting or clarifying. Examples. Actually, she's very happy. Actually, he is free this afternoon. It goes before the main verb, except be, when describing actions. Example. He actually finished his homework. It is placed after the verb be when talking about a state or condition. She is actually very happy. Here are some examples in conversation. Introducing the real situation. A. He said he was busy this afternoon. B. Actually, he is free, correcting a misunderstanding. A. She's angry, isn't she? B. Actually, she is very happy. Apparently. We use apparently when we are not completely sure about something or when we are reporting what we have heard or noticed. It's like saying, this seems to be true, but I'm not 100% certain. It can be placed at the beginning of a sentence when sharing information or observations. Examples. Apparently it's going to rain tomorrow. Apparently she is very good at chess. Apparently can also go before the main verb, except be, when describing actions. Example. She apparently finished her homework late. It seems that she did, but I'm not sure. It is placed after the verb be when talking about a state or condition. Example. She's apparently very good at chess. I can't play, but she seems good at it. Here are some examples in conversation. Sharing information you are not certain about. A. Is it going to rain tomorrow? B. Apparently yes. Reporting what you heard or observed. A. She's very good at chess, isn't she? B. She is apparently very good at chess. Quick summary. Actually refers to the real situation. It is used to tell the truth or correct someone. It can go at the start of a sentence, before most verbs, or after be. Apparently refers to what seems to be true, often from what you've heard or noticed. It can go at the start of a sentence before most verbs or after be. Now watch and complete the sentences with actually or apparently.
Did Maria join the group yesterday?
She apparently joined, but I haven't confirmed it myself.
Why is Emily absent today?
She is apparently sick, her friends told me, but she hasn't said anything herself.
Did you do your homework yet?
I actually finished my homework before dinner.
Why is the train late?
Apparently, there was an accident on the tracks, although I'm not sure.
People say this teacher is strict.
The teacher is actually very kind to everyone.
He said that the store is open today.
He's wrong. It's actually closed today.
Will the concert be canceled because of the rain?
Apparently, it might be postponed, but the organizers haven't announced anything yet.
You didn't go to the party last night, right?
Actually, I went for a little while.
Is John a good cook?
He is apparently very good, according to what his classmates said.
I thought you liked coffee.
Actually, I don't like coffee at all.
Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video.